Statistics begins with proper presentation of data. Proper presentation of data is the foundation of statistical analysis.
Presentation of data means arranging and displaying data in a clear and systematic form.
Classification is the process of arranging raw data into groups based on similar characteristics. Tabulation is the systematic arrangement of classified data in rows and columns.
Class limits are the smallest and largest values included in a class interval.
Class boundaries are the actual limits of a class after removing gaps between intervals. Midpoint is the average of lower and upper class limits. Class interval is the width of a class. Frequency is the number of times a value occurs in data.
Cumulative frequency is the running total of frequencies.
Relative frequency is the ratio of class frequency to total frequency.
Frequency distribution is a table showing classes and their corresponding frequencies.
A graph is a visual representation of data using lines, curves, or points. Common types of graphs include line graph, histogram, frequency polygon, and ogive.
A diagram is a pictorial representation of data used for comparison.
A histogram is a graph of continuous frequency distribution using adjacent rectangles. A frequency polygon is formed by joining class midpoints with straight lines. Ogive is a graph of cumulative frequency plotted against class boundaries. A frequency curve is a smooth curve drawn through frequency polygon points.